We just need the windows in. Once the windows are in, then we can work inside just on 80/20, and then in the vans with the diesel heaters working. So be no problem. We just need to get these windows in.
Yeah.
This is our weather window that's very close.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 3 of Vanapalooza van build. Today's agenda is to put windows in van number 2. We have 8 of those to do today, and today is the only weather window opportunity we're going to have in the next week here to put the windows in. So today is window day in van number 2 and 8 windows. Yeah, the other ones went well, and so we are going to follow the same process and the same assembly line to get these put in, and that is what's on today's agenda. Hopefully we get those all done today and we can be moving on.
It's not too warm out there.
It's freezing in Tacoma. It's only 40. You know, that's kind of the bummer here, and it's supposed to get a little warmer today, and it's supposed to be no rain, so we have to jump on this window weather opportunity and get them in.
We just need the windows in. Once the windows are in, then we can work inside just on 80/20, and then in the vans with the diesel heaters working. So be no problem. We just need to get these windows in.
Yeah.
This is our weather window that's very close, but it'll work because we'll keep everything heated. We'll
Right. We keep the vans heated. We keep the LP tank in there. The diesel heaters running in there. So the walls are warm. The windows are warm during the install. And so let's hope everything goes well today. So follow along. Here we go. So when we install the windows on the vans, we use this Sikaflex product here. This is the caulk that we use to seal the windows when we put them in place. We also used an electric caulk gun, which is imperative for putting the caulk on, because you want a nice even bead of caulk to seal the windows appropriately. So an electric caulk gun, I believe, is a necessity for installing the windows themselves. The other thing you need is glass suction cups, so you can lift and raise the windows and put them on without difficulty. You do have to prep the windows themselves, meaning you need to just use alcohol and clean the surface that's going against the caulk. So that's another tip for you. And this is the primer product that you need to purchase. So you need to alcohol the van wall, the metal piece itself, first, and then you need to put on this Sika primer around the outside, and then when that dries, then the caulk goes onto that. The other thing that you need to do or should do is create a triangle on the tip of the caulk tubes, because then you get this nice triangle bead that comes out, and so it is flat on the one end that goes against the van, and then it raises the other end, which is like maybe a pyramid, more a way of an example, and so then that sticks out. So when you put the window on, you have that nice raised surface that really creates a good seal. Oh, yeah. All right, window number 1 is done. 7 more to go. So it was a great success on the windows that we had available to us for the longer van, the high roof van. And so we got all these windows installed as well today, and we had these done, already at 1,500, 1,400. So it was a great success. today installing the van and doing some 80/20 build, and still light out, amazingly. So I think we're calling it a wraps for the day. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of the day, get some pizza, grab some beers for the guys, and talk about what our next project will be tomorrow. I think we're gonna need to go pick up some more 80/20 for this van that is waiting at another shipping facility near Seattle here, so that'll be what we're doing. And so yeah, that's it for today's video. So thanks for following along, guys. I hope you're enjoying the van build, way different from us traveling in Italy. And yeah, hopefully I get out of this look or these clothes one of these days soon, but it's not going to happen for 2 weeks, so this is what you're going to be looking at the whole time. All right, have a good night, everybody. We will see you in the morning. Thanks for watching.